Today, we are going to learn simple English sentences for daily life. These sentences are very easy, very common, and very useful. You can use them at home, at work, in the market, with friends, or on the phone. If you learn these sentences and practice them daily, your English will improve naturally. Let us start slowly and clearly. Daily morning life sentences. Every day starts with a morning, so first we learn morning sentences. I wake up early. I wake up late. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower. I make my bed. I feel fresh. I feel sleepy. I am ready for the day. You can say, today is a good day. Today is a busy day. I have a lot of work today. I am free today. At home, simple English sentences. Now let us talk about sentences we use at home. I am at home. I am going out. I am coming back soon. Please open the door. Please close the door. Turn on the light. Turn off the fan. Common home sentences. I am hungry. I am thirsty. The food is ready. The food is delicious. I like this food. I do not like spicy food. You can also say, I am tired. I need some rest. I want to sleep. Daily conversation with family. These sentences help you speak with family members. How was your day? My day was good. My day was busy. What are you doing? I am watching TV. I am using my phone. I am studying English. You can say politely, please help me. Thank you for your help. No problem. That's okay. Outside and market sentences. Now let us learn sentences for outside and market. I am going to the market. I need to buy something. How much is this? This is too expensive. Please reduce the price. It is cheap. I will take this. I don't need this. More useful lines. Do you have this in another color? Do you have a small size? Do you have a large size? Number 5. Traveling and road sentences. When you are outside or traveling, these sentences are very helpful. I am on the way. I am getting late. Please wait for me. I will reach soon. Where is the bus stop? Where is the washroom? I am lost. Can you help me? You can also say, thank you so much. That is very kind of you. Number 6. Office and work sentences. Now let us talk about simple English office. I am at work. I am busy right now. I will call you later. Please give me some time. I am working on it. The work is done. The work is not finished. Common polite sentences. Please explain again. I understand. I don't understand. Can you repeat, please? Number 7. Phone call sentences. These sentences are very important for daily life. Hello, this is me. May I speak to you? Are you free now? I will call you later. Please leave a message. The line is busy. Ending a call politely. Talk to you later. Take care. Have a nice day. Number 8. daily feelings and emotions. English becomes easy when you can express feelings. I am happy. I am sad. I am angry. I am worried. I feel good today. I feel tired today. You can say, everything is fine. Nothing is wrong. I need some time. Number 9. Simple, polite English sentences. These sentences make your English beautiful and respectful. Please help me. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Sorry for the mistake. Excuse me. Using these words daily will improve your confidence. Number 10. Ending motivation. English is not difficult. English is simple. You just need daily practice. Speak these sentences every day. Speak in front of a mirror. Speak with friends. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Remember one thing: simple English is powerful English. If you practice these daily life sentences, your English will improve step by step, day by day, naturally and confidently.